Ever opened a new video editor and thought, wait, do I really need all these AI gizmos? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into why Corel VideoStudio is still worth in 2026 as the smarter alternative for creators who value substance over hype. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by endless menus or frustrated by monthly fees, we've got a roadmap that'll empower you to reclaim your editing process. From cluttered AI panels to the beauty of one-time purchases, we'll break it all down. We'll compare streamlined interfaces and talk about the difference between essential tools and feature bloat. Imagine a chef's knife versus a Swiss Army knife loaded with gadgets you never use. So, stick around as we unpack real user experiences, cost analysis, and the future of video editing. Ready to rediscover creativity without all the noise? Let me ask you, when's the last time you used all the features in your editing software? Now picture this, you're shelling out monthly fees, but most of the tools just gather digital dust. Subscription models often lure us with cutting-edge AI automation. Sounds impressive, right? But much like buying a sports car for city traffic, you rarely get to use the full horsepower. Here's a story. A friend of mine signed up for a cloud-based editor and found herself lost in a forest of auto-edit, instant cut, and suggestion panels. Instead of creating, she was untangling settings. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't more always better? Not when it's paralyzing. That's what's known as feature fatigue, the exhaustion that comes from too many options. In the end, subscription fees and cluttered dashboards can sap both your wallet and your motivation. Imagine editing a video where every tool is exactly where you expect it. That's the Corel VideoStudio promise. The interface is stripped down, focusing on what matters, timeline control, and intuitive trimming. Think of it as a well-organized toolbox, not a junk drawer. Ever heard of usability friction? It's like trying to draw with a pen that keeps slipping. Corel minimizes this, so your focus stays on the story, not the software. Now, someone might ask, doesn't less mean limited? But Corel's philosophy is quality over quantity, providing transitions and effects that actually get used. This means less time troubleshooting and more time creating exactly what every editor craves. AI is everywhere these days, but does it always help? Let me tell you a story. A user uploaded vacation footage and the AI tried to cut out boring moments. The problem? Those were family memories, not filler. Corel VideoStudio avoids this pitfall by focusing on manual controls, letting you decide what stays and what goes. Let's define two terms. Machine learning teaching computers to recognize patterns, and automation biases our tendency to trust machines even when they make mistakes, like blindly letting spell check rewrite your script. Now you might be thinking, isn't convenience king? Sometimes, but not when automation erases your creative choices. With Corel, you're always in the director's chair, not the algorithm. Have you ever wished your workspace reflected your style, not a generic template? Corel VideoStudio keeps the canvas clean so your editing feels personal. Instead of algorithm-driven suggestions, you get customizable timelines and manual color grading. Think of it as painting with real brushes instead of autofill. Here's a technical term: non-linear editing, which means you can jump around, cut, and splice without messing up the rest of your project. It's like editing a book chapter by chapter, not word by word. Someone might ask, doesn't AI know best? Only you know your vision. Personalized editing puts the power back in your hands. In a world of cookie cutter content, retaining control is your secret weapon. Quick question, what's more satisfying than finishing a project? Not getting a subscription renewal email, that's what. Corel VideoStudio offers a one-time purchase, pay once, own forever. It's the difference between renting an apartment and owning your home. Let's talk about total cost of ownership, the real price you pay over time, and license permanence, which means you won't lose access if you skip a payment. Imagine budgeting for gear, not software bills. That's peace of mind for freelancers and hobbyists alike. Long-term, Corel's model keeps editing affordable, so you can invest in better cameras or sound, not just software. Let me share a couple of quick stories. First, there's Mike. He switched to Corel after getting fed up with laggy cloud apps. He says, now I spend more time editing than waiting for features to load. Then there's Priya, who runs a small YouTube channel. She loves being able to customize her workspace without AI second guessing her edits. These stories highlight two concepts: workflow efficiency, getting things done faster, and user autonomy, making your own creative choices, like a director calling the shots on set. From hobbyists to professionals, the consensus is clear. Corel VideoStudio helps you do more with less fuss. Let's recap what we've learned. First, streamlined tools beat cluttered dashboards every time. Second, owning your software lets you focus on projects, not payments. Third, real creativity thrives in a personal, distraction-free space. Remember, in video editing, as in life, sometimes less really is more.